Resistors in series. Resistors can be used in series combination or in parallel combination. Resistors in series. In this method, resistors are connected one after the other in series fashion. Equivalent resistance in series. Consider an electric circuit consisting of a battery of V volts, 3 resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3, an emitter in series and 3 voltmeters V1, V2 and V3 across R1, R2 and R3. The current flow is controlled by plug key K. When the plug key is inserted, current starts flowing and hence emitter and voltmeters show some readings. Even if we change the position of emitter, current reading is constant, indicates that in series current remains constant. Also, if we observe readings of 3 voltmeters, then these are different. This indicates that voltage in series is different across different resistors. We also observe that battery voltage is equal to addition of voltage reading shown by 3 voltmeters. That is, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Consider it as relation 1. From Ohm's law, we have V is equal to I into Rs, where Rs is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. This relation can be applied to individual voltages. Hence, we get V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. Replacing individual values in relation 1, we get V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Now, V is replaced by IR. Here, R is the equivalent resistance of series circuit. So, let us denote it by Rs. So, we get IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Therefore, we get equivalent resistance Rs as Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. With this relation, we can conclude that the equivalent resistance of a series circuit is the sum of values of individual resistances. The equivalent resistance of series circuit is always greater than individual resistances. Also, from the available resistors, we can achieve highest resistance by connecting all in series. Disadvantages of series circuit. The appliances, for example, LED bulb and heater, works on different values of current. If we connect appliances in series, then there is a greater possibility of damage. With this, if we connect these in series, then failure of one causes failure of whole circuit.